environment, there's much more opportunity for give and take between students and sustained interaction with students, so that they get to talk about their own ideas, their own interpretation of what does a law mean, why do they think it means a certain way, a certain thing, how a legal rule might be changed in order to do something different, and it's then interesting to see how other students react to their peers, because different students have different backgrounds. Some of them will walk into a class having extensive background in the area in which you're studying. So for example, when I teach state and local finance, it's not unusual for someone who has actually worked in a state or local government to be in the class and to say, wait a minute, you know, we tried using that device to raise revenue, and look at and let me tell you about all the unexpected and unpleasant, or sometimes pleasant, things that happened as a result. And that's the sort you don't get that in a large class, because the interaction is, generally speaking, between the professor and the student, and you know, you can have a back and forth with the student, but you don't have very many situations in which it is possible for another student to react to the colloquy that's going between the student and the professor. Sometimes that occurs in a large class, but usually not, whereas in a small class, that happens all the time.